Now we continue that. The rules to be observed while singing the anthem. So while we are singing the national anthem, we have some rules also. This anthem has to be sung at a duration of 52 seconds. So the time allotment of that singing of national anthem is only 52 seconds. Everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem. So we must give respect to that national anthem when they are singing the song, where they are singing the song. Okay, so then one should understand the meaning while singing. Without understanding the meaning of the verse, you don't sing that one. Okay, so one should understand the meaning while singing. Okay, the song Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people of India in their struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. On January 24, 1950, the then President Dr. Rajendra Prasad came up with a statement in the Constituent Assembly. The song Vande Mataram, which has played a historic part in the struggle for Indian freedom, shall be honored equally with Jana Gana Mana and shall have equal status with it. The song was a part of Bankim Chandra's most famous novel, Anand Mad. Now we giving the national pledge. So what is the national pledge we are giving? India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters is our national pledge. The pledge was written by Pidimari Venkata Subbaravu in Telugu. So first that Indian pledge is national pledge is written by Telugu language. Okay, who written this? Pidimari Venkata Subbaravu. He wrote the national pledge in his language, his mother tongue Telugu. Okay, now see the national microorganism. The curd which we consume every day is curded from milk by a microorganism called Lactobacillus delphurici. So this was accepted as our national microorganism in the year 2012. So நம்ம பால் வந்து how to it turn as a curd. So what microorganism is working in that milk to turn as a curd? Okay, that microorganism we accepted as our national microorganism in 2012. Recently only we accepted that one as our national microorganism, national bacteria. Okay, this microorganism makes the milk undergo a chemical reaction and changes the protein content of the milk. Curd is known for its digestive quality and cooling capacity. So every time, so in that hot season, some we are using the buttermilk to drink to reduce our heat in our body. Okay, so drink more buttermilk. So it gives the cooling consistency of our stomach. Next up, currency of India, that is INR. The Indian currency is the Indian rupee. The currency released by Sher Shah in the 16th century was rupiah. So who introduced, who released the currency? Sher Shah Sir. So he released the currency. In that time we called as rupiah. Okay. So this rupiah has been transformed into rupees. The symbol of a rupee is a So it's a small or, so or else so strike it and upper strike one and that middle one strike line. This was designed by Dr. D. Uday Kumar from Tamil Nadu in the year 2010. So who gave the design of that rupee? D. Uday Kumar. He given the design for rupee. Next one, we goes to national calendar. During the reign of Emperor Kanishka, he began following a new calendar in the year 78 CE or AD. The year begins from the spring equinox, which falls on March 22nd. During a leap year, it begins on March 21st. Our country follow this calendar. The famous astronomer Magnus Shaw headed the calendar. Reformation Committee on 22nd March 1957. So 1957 we accepted our national calendar. It was then accepted by the committee as our national calendar. The national symbols help in uniting the diversified sections of India and to instill patriotism. So, which are the days? Now, till this we learn about our national symbols, national symbols. Now we are going to learn about the national holidays. Which are the days we are celebrating as our national holidays? In that one, first one comes in that place, Independence Day. So it is a biggest festival. We celebrate very honestly, very proudly this Independence Day. So many of that leaders, they sacrificed their life for the freedom of our India. So we must give respect for that day and we must celebrate that day very proudly. Okay. So every year August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day to commemorate India's freedom from British rule. This auspicious day is also marked as a birth of the world's biggest democracy, India. So India is a democratic country. The people for the people and by the people. It is that democratic country. Okay, no one is ruling any people, so we only ruling ourselves. We selecting some people's for to give the rules and regulations to follow the laws. On the day India gained independence, Makakavi Bharatiyar poem Aduvum Pallu Aduvom Pallu Paduvom, and it was sung over the AIR, that is All India Radio, by T.K. Patamal, a famous singer of Carnatic music. The celebration of Independence Day continues every year. The Prime Minister unfurls the national flag on the Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. So next one comes as Republic Day. So on 26th January 1950, India was declared as a democratic state. Every year, this day is commemorated as a Republic Day. The Constitution commenced on 26th January 1950. From August 1947 to 26th January 1950, the Queen of Britain was the honorary head of India. So from the 47 to 50, these 3 years, who is the honorary head? Queen of Britain, she is the honorary head of what? India. After that, the India was declared as a democratic state. The president became the first citizen of India. On Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. So next we are celebrating the birthday of Gandhiji. So that is called Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was declared one of the national festival. It falls on 2nd October. In 2007, the United Nations declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence. Understood, you children? Now, just to be recapped what we learned in this lesson. Tiger, elephant, river, dolphin of Ganges, peacock, king cobra, banyan tree, mango. The Ganges of lotus are the natural national symbols. Next one, the Constitutional Assembly accepted the tricolor flag as the national flag on 22nd July 1947. The national flag, the national emblem, the national anthem, and the national song, etc., are other national symbols. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are our important national festivals. Understood, children? We continue the answers, choose question answers, everything in the next class. Thank you.